In less than half a year of being open for business, this shop has made $109,000 by selling AI digital art. Not revenue, it's profit. The biggest change this new year is that Midjourney has just updated its V6 version. I created the same video 4 months ago, but it only received a few views because Midjourney V5's output was not good enough. A good product is the key to success. Now, with only text, we can get this, and this. AI can even reproduce the texture of an oil painting, and the overall level of detail is excellent. It's the perfect time to start your AI side hustle and sell your creations online to generate passive income. The most important thing is that you only need to invest $10. No matter where you are, you can start your business today. Let's dive into the process. We will start by creating vintage-style oil paintings using Midjourney. To begin, we need to input a text prompt in Midjourney V6. The prompt could be a description of what you want, such as, engage in conversation with a real artist. Midjourney will then transform the text into a complete work of art, incorporating style and artistry. Once our image is ready, we can create a listing on Etsy and start selling online, then simply wait for passive income. Midjourney is a not bad painter. Our workload has been greatly reduced. Before we start bulk creating artwork, I want to show you some data. This shop, called Antique White Art, started in 2023 and specializes in selling painting-style digital wall art. The style is defined by realism, with a focus on naturalistic detail, light and shadow, creating a serene atmosphere. Over the past year, they have created over 600 listings. If this were done by painters, it would be overwhelming. But with AI, it can be accomplished in just 1 week. Allura's sales figures show that they made $20,000 in revenue last month. Since digital products have no production costs, it translates to a 100% profit. The search volume for the keyword digital wall art has remained stable over the past year, indicating a consistent market demand. We have market demand, successful cases, and productivity tools, which means if it's possible for them, it's possible for you. Next, we still need to do some research so that we don't waste time. In this niche, we need to create products that have high demand and low competition. I have collected all the best sellers from these shops to gain inspiration for my own art. During this process, I found 3 secrets. Firstly, all these stores sell oil paintings, and the styles within each store are very cohesive. For example, they have the brown color scheme, the Morandi color scheme, and the fan scheme. Furthermore, festivals and timing are particularly important. Digital art is low-priced and has a high repurchase rate, so the arrival of holidays or a new season often creates a desire for new decorations. Another good method is to find comments from best sellers. This way, you can discover what these customers want and expect but haven't been satisfied with, such as size, clarity, or other styles. Using Midjourney is also very easy. I would suggest subscribing to the basic plan, which costs $10 per month. Once subscribed, you are free to use your images in any way you like. Additionally, it allows for 10 times faster generation, saving a significant amount of time. To generate images, go to Discord and click on the Midjourney bot. Send setting to choose the V6 model. Then type Imagine followed by your prompt. Don't forget to specify the aspect ratio, such as AR2 by 3 or 9 by 16. The AI will generate 4 images based on your prompt. The button on the far right will re-roll the prompt and provide 4 new images based on the same exact prompt. The buttons at the bottom will create more variations of the corresponding image, while the top row of buttons will enlarge or upscale the selected image if you like it. Before generating the next image, we need to resize it first. For horizontal art, common ratios include 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 5 by 4, and 7 by 5. For vertical art, common ratios include 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 7, and 11 by 14. For mock-ups, I highly recommend designing your own. A mock-up is crucial in showing what your digital artwork will look like in reality. As mentioned earlier, your painting needs to have a distinct style. Similarly, you need to find a decorating style that complements your paintings. For instance, oil paintings are popular sellers because the traditional American style is well suited for displaying oil paintings rather than sketches or watercolors. Once you've found a decorative style, seek inspiration from Pinterest. Simply search for relevant keywords, find an image that suits your art, and then copy and paste it onto Midjourney. Midjourney will generate a prompt based on the image, and all you need to do is generate the artwork using that prompt. Remember to clearly describe the dimensions of the frame so that we can embed the complete artwork we've created. In this step, I will use Canva. We can add our digital art into mockup easily, also add some shadow to make it more realistic. When creating a listing, we still need to upload our digital art. However, if our zip file is too large, we can upload it to Google Cloud and obtain a link. Once everything is done, if you want to generate long-term passive income, you can start your journey now. Based on my experience with digital art sales, I recommend not completely copying others' content. Instead, focus on creating your own unique style and maintaining consistency for at least 3 months. This approach will yield good results. Follow me for more tips on starting your first side hustle. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button. See you next week.